In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Smartsheet with Smartsheet. We'll walk through setting up an automation that automatically adds a task to your sheet on a regular schedule so you don't have to remember to create it every time. First, open your project sheet in Smartsheet. Make sure you're on the correct sheet where you want the recurring tasks to appear. If this sheet isn't yet part of a workspace, add it to one by choosing the option to add it to a workspace. Keeping it in a workspace helps with organization and permissions, especially if you're collaborating with a team. Once your sheet is open, switch to the main grid or table view so you can clearly see your columns and rows. It helps to quickly scan your column names here because we'll be referencing them inside the automation in a moment. Next, go to the Automation menu at the top of the sheet. From the drop-down, choose Create from Template. Smartsheet provides pre-built automation templates, which makes this process much faster than building everything from scratch. In the template gallery that appears, select a template that is based on a date trigger. Then click Use Template to load it into your sheet. This creates a new automation rule that you can now customize. By default, many templates start with a trigger like when rows are added or changed. Click on that and switch it to when a date is reached. This tells Smartsheet to run the automation based on time, not on edits to the sheet. Now configure the schedule. Choose the specific day and time you want the task to recur. For example, you might set it to run on the 4th day of every month at 5 o'clock p.m. or adjust the numbers to match your own schedule. Take a moment here to think about your workflow so the timing makes sense for your team. Next, choose the field that identifies which task is being created or updated. Select the primary column, then add a value such as Task 1. This will be the name or label of the recurring task that appears each time the automation runs. You can refine conditions if needed, for example by clicking into the Conditions section to limit when the rule applies. Finally, select the sheet where the new task row should be added if that option appears, confirm your selections, and click Save. Your automation is now active, and Smartsheet will automatically add a new task row at the schedule you defined.